I think as a professional cricketer, I have to be flexible in terms of the situation as well, how I have to pace my innings. But as I was hitting the ball well, suddenly two more wickets fell, and that's where I thought I need to play the anchor role, and I'm happy that it came off.
And then suddenly you see Manish Pandey coming out to bat, even though you had a couple of other batters still left. Do you all have a discussion about what your roles are going to be, or did you just say, there's a storm brewing, let's ride the storm, let's get it over with?
I think this is the fourth or fifth time where Manish has padded up, and this time he eventually got to bat. But yeah, that's the plan. Obviously, with the impact player rule, and you see a collapse, you can get a batter in, and he can add to the score. And it was very important at that time. You know, someone like Russell and Ramandeep coming in a situation where they usually don't play. It's better to send someone like Manish who can anchor the innings and accelerate as well.
And he has the experience of about 170 IPL games behind him, so that must have helped. What were the conversations like?
I think initially I told him it will take time to adjust to the wicket. The ball was holding up. It was a two-paced wicket. So I told him we have the cushion of time. And as you mentioned, he's an experienced candidate. He was the one who was guiding me throughout the innings. You know how to face the bowlers, which bowler to take on, which situation to be aggressive in. And I think that communication was very good.
Your thinking reminds me of what you've probably done a lot of, balance sheets. Looking at the debits, looking at the credits. It's almost like that, isn't it?
Yes, I think I thrive to be a smarter cricketer. Obviously, everyone has the skill set, but if you're smart, then you can make those decisions. It had been very easy for me to go after someone like Piyush Chawla and maybe fast bowlers, just hit them because Wankhede is known as a six-hitting ground. But I thought at that situation, the team needed me to be there till the end, and I'm really happy with that.
I saw you having that long conversation with another left-hander in Kolkata recently. You and Saurav were having a long conversation. Tell us a little bit about that.
I've been a huge fan of Dada, and went to ask him about my stance and some technical aspects, and it was a very fruitful conversation. I tried it in the nets, and it's coming slowly, and I'm hopeful that if I'm able to put that in my batting, then it'll work wonders.
He wasn't a bad player himself. He'd be very happy with the innings that you played today. Well done today.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Player of the match today, Venkatesh Iyer.